Video editing is a crucial part of creating content. And whether you are a beginner or a professional video editor, finding a good software for editing that doesn't empty your wallet can be hard to find. So, this is a list of best free video editing softwares that you can use without spending any money. Before starting, all the softwares in this list can export videos in 1080p format and provide no watermarks or time limits, as well as free trials. On number 5, we have Shotcut. Shotcut is a great free video editing software that has an intuitive interface and plenty of tools needed for beginner-level editing. It provides you with tons of filters and effects to spice up your videos. It is a great option for beginners, but it may not be for you if you want something a bit more advanced. Here are the pros and cons of Shotcut. On number 4, we have VSDC. If you have a low-end PC and other softwares just don't work for you, VSDC is going to be a great option. It also provides a large variety of effects and filters. It also enables you to export your videos in a variety of formats. It is great for beginners with an intuitive interface and a low learning curve. Here are the pros and cons of VSDC. On number 3, we have OpenShot. OpenShot is the best software for beginners out of all previously mentioned softwares. It has a great drag and drop interface which is easy to use. It provides you with unlimited layers and keyframe animation tools for more advanced users. Here are the pros and cons of OpenShot. On number 2, we have HitFilm Express. It is a great software for anyone looking for an advanced editing software. It doubles up as an editing and compositing tool. It can be used to create incredible 3D compositions as well. It provides all the tools needed for pro-grade editing, such as motion tracking, color tools, and more than 400 visual effects and presets. If you want a powerful free editing software, you cannot go wrong with HitFilm. Here are the pros and cons of HitFilm Express. At the number 1 spot, we have DaVinci Resolve. This is the single best free editing softwares for advanced video editors. This software is a straight competitor to other advanced softwares like Premiere Pro. It has all the tools needed for professional editing like color correction and post-audio production. It also provides collaborative working, which might be helpful in a team project. It comes with different dedicated interfaces to audio, color, and cutting. The free version provides you with all the features you need to begin or upgrade your content creation journey. Here are the pros and cons of DaVinci Resolve. And those were the top 5 best free editing softwares for 2022. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.